Hello everyone! The Tower of Hanoi puzzle was created in the 19th century by French mathematician Édouard Lucas. There is a tower in Hanoi, Vietnam's capital, that may have inspired the puzzle's name. I'm not sure if Lucas was in Vietnam. The goal of this puzzle is to move a pyramid of discs to another rod in the fewest steps possible. You cannot stack smaller rings on top of larger ones, and you can only carry one disc at a time. Let's start with the easiest. Allow 2 discs to remain on the first rod. You must make 3 moves to get them to the 3rd rod without breaking the game's rules. The number of steps increases when there are 3 discs. So, we needed 7 moves. I'll now demonstrate how to move a 4-disc tower for you. Here, we required 15 moves. Let's add another disc to the tower now. So, in order to move the 5-disc tower, we needed to perform 31 moves. If this video receives 1,000 likes, I will demonstrate how to move a tower comprised of 6 discs.